something upstairs.
Is someone else here besides me?
No, it's okay. So we're at the land. Police just called us. Hey guys, it's me, Aubrey, and say hi to the camera, Caleb.
Bye.
And today we are home alone. The parents are at the land, and we're just doing the. Oh, here goes my baby. This is my angel from heaven. Anyways, yeah, we're just like kind of just chilling. I'm making some egg whites right now, get protein in. And then I don't really know what else I'm gonna do, but parents are not here, so I don't know. Caleb, what are you gonna do?
Watch YouTube.
Yeah, that's what I thought. All right. Okay, well, that's not good. The garage is not supposed to be open because then people can get in. So let me just close that. All right, did you open it? Did you open? What are we doing? Get inside. What are we doing? Lola, get in. I'm trying to eat my Jell-O. Get inside. Okay, guys. I changed into a different shirt and shorts instead of my uniform now.
Somebody else here.
Huh?
Somebody else here.
What do you mean?
It's like, is someone else here besides me and you?
No, it's just me and you. Why?
I heard somebody.
Are you? No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
Where?
It was like in upstairs.
Caleb, don't trick me.
I'm not.
You swear you heard something upstairs?
I swear.
It wasn't your iPad?
No.
Okay. Oh, guys. Caleb says that he heard something upstairs. Nobody else is here. It's just me and Caleb. Are you sure it wasn't Lola?
No, not Lola.
Okay, that's fantastic. Well, I guess since I'm the adult here, I have to go check upstairs. Wonderful. Do you want to come with me? You want to come with me? You want to come with me now because you're lazy? I don't want to do that. I don't want to look. Whatever, it's fine. Nobody's up. There's nobody up here. Nobody's up here. Nobody's up here. Nobody's up here. It's fine. Nobody's up here. It's fine. Okay, I made it upstairs. Nobody's in there. Should I check the attic first? I don't want to. Okay, guys, just give this video a like. Give this video a like because I'm gonna have. It's fine. I don't want to look. 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 It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. 3, 2. So we're at the land, and the police just called us because you guys might remember somebody broke into our truck a few months ago. And the police called us because they had found some of our items that were stolen out of our truck at a pawn shop. So we are gonna have to go to court and file a claim to get those back. So this should be fun. Okay, I'm walking to meet Jeremy. And oh, where did he go? He ran off. He was right there and I went to get my camera out. He's gone. We're out on the lake.
Let's go that way.
All right, okay, here we go. We're gonna go see what we can find. Hopefully no snakes. Okay, so we bought a paddle boat. Okay, we're going the wrong way. All right, which way do you? Okay, let's go to that cove over there. Okay guys, I'm out in the middle of the lake. Jeremy's left me because he heard something over there. Uh-oh. This looks like the beginning of a horror movie. Did you see anything over there? No signs of alien? Snacks or snakes? You're definitely gonna be covered in ticks. The light's off. The light's off. Okay, it's fine. It's fine. Do you guys see anything? Okay, I don't think there's anything in this attic. So that means that it's the attic in there. Well, guys, I guess I'm gonna have to go look in there too. In another creepy attic. It's fine. There's nobody here. There's nobody here. I shouldn't be scared. There's nobody here. Okay. right, just a mess in here. That's okay. I don't think the light works in there. Oh, it does. Okay. I don't want to look. What if I just walk away and just, it's fine. Pretend everything's okay and everything's fine and it's all fine. Okay. I don't know if I'm just like psyching myself out, but I'm pretty sure I just saw something. Okay, you guys tell me if you guys see anything at all. I saw a move behind there, but I have to look. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Oh. That's embarrassing. There's nothing in here. Okay. I think Caleb's just imagining things. There's nothing here. I can go look in the other attic just for good measures, but literally nothing's here. Oh! Guys, I got a new MacBook and my mom put it up. Look at it. Or not a MacBook, whatever it's called. Is it called a MacBook? I don't know. I got this so I can edit, film videos, and all the fun stuff. It's green, I think. Or no, it's silver. Okay, there's nothing in here. Everything's fine, it's fine. See? It's fine. I don't know what Caleb was talking about. Like, literally nothing's happening. Oh, well, we're fine. We're good. Everything's chill. I don't know why I was scared. I should have known. Caleb probably was watching something on his iPad, or maybe he heard Lola move around, but there's nobody in the house. We're fine. Okay, Caleb, problem solved.
I heard somebody.
You heard? It was probably me upstairs. I literally looked in all the attics. I looked everywhere. I heard nothing.
You weren't upstairs. You were in your room.
But I just looked upstairs.
What if they left?
Well, I probably would have caught them, wouldn't I?
No, because what if they left before we checked?
Caleb, nobody is here.
You sure?
There's 3 attics, and I checked all 3 of them.
There's 3 attics?
Yes.
Are you sure there's not 4?
1, 2. What do you mean? How would there be 4? How would you even know if there was 4? There's not 4. We're fine.
Did you count the baby doll thing? Attic?
Yeah, there's 3 attics. 1, 2, 3. I looked in all of them.
Did you check in Mom's office?
Why? I mean, I checked in the attic.
Okay, I don't know.
All right.
Okay, there's somebody in the house and I'm telling you.
Caleb, there's nobody in the house. It's nothing. It's fine. I don't know what he's yapping about, but there's literally, I checked. They couldn't have, like... Do you hear that? It's like thumping upstairs. Okay, you know what? Nobody's here. I'm just gonna wait till my mom and dad get home. They're on their way home. It's fine. It's fine. Okay, Caleb's leaving to go to his friend's house, and I'm leaving to go to the gym because I'm not about to be here all alone because I keep hearing noises. So I'll get back to you guys when my parents get here because I'm kind of scared.